Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Tima's tutorial. Today I will be explaining what a surd is. Surds. So a surd is an expression containing a square root of numbers that are not perfect square. Numbers that are not perfect square. When we say that numbers are not perfect square, that means they are numbers that does not have a definite square root, like 9. 9 is a perfect square. 7 is not a perfect square. So when we find the square root of 7, we are not going to get a definite answer. So it is going to give us a irrational number. So it is an example of a surd. 3 also is not a perfect square. If you find the square root of 3, we will not get a definite answer. So square root of 3 is going to give us an irrational number because it cannot be expressed as a fraction. It cannot be expressed as ratio of 2 numbers. So in that case, it is an irrational number. So let's look at this. Examples of surd. You have square root of 3, square root of 2, square root of 7, square root of 5, square root of 19, square root of 21 is also an example of surd. So when you find the square root of numbers that are not perfect square, they are examples of irrational number. So we are going to look at some rules that guides surds, some rules that guides the simplification of surds. So let's look at these rules of surds. Don't forget, when we have root of a times b, root of a times b can be written as root a times root b. You can separate root a times b as root a multiplied by root b. But can we have root a plus b as root a plus root b? Will this be possible for addition? It is no. This one means it's not equal to, that is root a plus b is not equal to root a plus root b. Let us look at the second one for division. Let's say we have root a over b. Root a over b. Root a over b can be written as root a all over root b. This is correct. So this is allowed in surd. But what of if we now have root a minus b? Can root a minus b be written as root a minus root b? It is impossible now. So this is not possible. So take note of this. So these rules guides the simplification of surds. Okay, let's move to simplification of surds. How to simplify surds. Simplification of surds. Example. Let's simplify the following. 1. Root 200. 2. Root 40. 3. Let's say root of 288. 4. Root of a to the power of 3, then b. Let's look at how to simplify this. Let's look at the first question. That's square root of 200. Square root of 200. We are going to express it as a product of two numbers. in such a way that one of the two numbers will be a perfect square, and not just a perfect square. The highest perfect square you can see in 200, and that will really be 100. So we express it as square root of 100 times 2, which is same thing as square root of 100 times square root of 2. And what is square root of 100? That will be 10. Then times root 2, that will be 10 root 2. The second one, that's root 40. Square root of 40. So we are going to express 40 as a product of two numbers, so that one of the two numbers will be a perfect square. The highest perfect square we can see 40. That is square root of 4 times 10, which is the same thing as square root of 4 times square root of 10. Now what is square root of 4? That is 2 root. You multiply by with 10. That's 2 root 10. Square root of 4 is 2. 10. Then the third one, 3. Square root of 288. So square root of 288. The highest perfect square we can see in 288 is 144. So that's 144 times 2. 144 times 2, which is equal to square root of 144 times square root of 2. And what is square root of 144? That is 12. Then multiply by root 2. That will give us 12 root 2. And lastly, 4 root of a cube, then b. Square root of a cube, b. We can simplify square root of a cube b into square root of a square times a, then times b. You can break it down like this. So which can further be written as root a squared times root a, then times root b, which is equal to square root of a squared. That will be a. That is, this square can cancel this square root, so we have a. Then times root a times root b, which is equal to a times root b. That will give us root a b. So the final answer will be a root a b. So this is how to simplify the surd. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, and as well subscribe. Thank you.